Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss 10th class State Board Telangana similar triangles mathematics topic. So in this first I am going to discuss basic proportionality theorem, which is also called Thales theorem. So it is given by Thales, so we can call it as Thales theorem, short form b.p.t, basic proportionality theorem. So statement for this theorem is, so first we should go and we should write the statement as usual given by the scientist, our mathematician. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides at distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is the given statement. So diagrammatically, let's see once, let's try to understand diagrammatically this theorem. So let's think this is our triangle ABC. So in this triangle ABC, I'm drawing a line DE which is parallel to BC. So this symbol indicates DE parallel to BC. So then we have to show that this AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. This is what we have to prove. So let's see what they are given. So we have to write the theorem in this way in the exam also. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So this is there given, and DE intersects sides AB and AC in D and E respectively. So this is what they are given. So what we have to prove here? Required to prove RTP. RTP means required to prove. So we have to prove that AD by DB ratio is equal to AE by EC ratio. So this is what we have to prove. So to prove this theorem, we need any extra construction. So that constructions also we have to mention here. So what we have to construct is, so I am joining the B and E. So I'm joining B and E. I'm joining B and E and C and D. So I'm joining B and E and C and D. So, and I'll draw a perpendicular from D to AC. So let's we think it intersect this at F, and I will draw one perpendicular from E to F. So these are the extra constructions we are doing in this to prove, and this intersects the AB at G. Let's think. So this is perpendicular to AB and this is perpendicular to AC. So now here I'm writing what I done the extra construction. Join BE and CD and draw DF perpendicular to AC and EG perpendicular to AB. So this is what the extra constructions were done to prove this theorem. So now we are going into the proof. So how can we prove this one is, first I will take side AB. So on side AB, to remember in simplest way, I'm doing like this. On side AB, we have two triangles. One is a triangle ADE with base AD, and another one we have triangle BDE with base BD. For both the height is same, that is EG. So I will find the area of triangle ADE, that is half into base into height. So that means half into base is here AD, height is EG. And I'll find out the area of triangle BDE. So area of triangle BDE is equal to half into base here BD. Height will be the same for both. So EG. So let's take the ratio of these two. So area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to half into base into height upon half into BD into EG. So these two gets cancelled and half of gets cancelled. We will get AD by DV. Let it be equation 1. So similarly, on side AC, so we can take area of triangle AED or AD, both are same, by area of triangle CED is equal to half into, now base is AE, height is DF, divided by half into base is CE into height is DF, same. So height is DF. So DF and half of cancel. So I'll get area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CED is equal to AE by EC. So here if you observe on the right hand side of the first equation and second equation, we have what we have to prove, AD by DB and AE by EC. So those are present. So if you'll prove this left hand side ratios are equal, then we can say right hand side are equal. So by that we will get the what we require, right? So see, in equation 1 and 2, in equation 1 and 2, in LHS, numerator are same. So denominators, if you'll see, area of triangle BD in the sense. So this, so and this. So those are on the same base. So triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base, and between same parallels. So they are equal in area. That means area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. So by that we can say that LHS side ratios are equal. So by this we can say RHS also equal. So therefore AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So this is the basic proportionality theorem proof. So let's see converse of b.p.t. So converse of b.p.t. So in this converse of b.p.t, just quite opposite statement of b.p.t theorem. So what is that is, see, in b.p.t theorem what we discussed is, if a line drawn parallel to one side divides the other two sides in the same ratio. But comes to here, in this, how we will discuss is, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side, reverse. So to prove this here, what we can take is, so we will take triangle ABC first. So triangle ABC we are taking. So in triangle ABC, a line DE is drawn such that, so this point, let's think these are intersecting at this. So what is given is, in triangle ABC, they are given that a line DE is drawn such that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So this is what they are given. So what we have to prove here, what we have to prove in this theorem, we have to prove DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC we have to prove. So let's see anything extra construction we need here. So we will go just contradiction method. That means let's think DE is not parallel to BC. So let's think DE is not parallel to BC. So if D is not parallel to BC, let's take there is must some other line DF is parallel to BC. So let us assume DF is parallel to BC. So if DF is parallel to BC, according to b.p.t theorem, so basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB should be equal to AF by FC. AD by DB is equal to AF by FC. But what given is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So when this is true, both are for AD by DB only. So when this RHS are true is when F coincides with E, then this AF by FC is equal to AE by EC. AF by FC is equal to AE by EC. So then that F coincides with the E, then DE is parallel to BC, it will be proved. So this is the way how we can prove the basic proportionality theorem. So these are the two topics. So if anyone is not yet subscribed my channel till now for best mathematics, for all the proofs and solutions, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, so you will get my all videos. So thank you all.